Problema po kasi, hindi po ako matanggap sa trabaho kasi po, bumabagsak po ako sa interview pag English.
Ano bang trabaho ito?
IT po yung ina-applyan ko po.
IT.
Dapat mas marunong ka mag-English kasi computer yan.
Oo.
Hindi, ngayon naman kasi mga ganung trabaho, pero kailangan kasi...
Ano ba ang question sa'yo? Ano unang question?
Anong tanong?
Ano mga tinatanong?
Yun nga po, pag English po, nahihirapan to.
Baka naman tinanong ka lang,
Ano nga yung question
what
sa'yo?
is your name? Nahirapan ka na, hindi ka talaga tatanggapin. Anong question yung nahirapan ka? Paano?
Parang pag sinabi pong, can you tell us something about yourself? Ganun po, ayun po, nahihirapan na po akong sumagot. Ganun.
Okay, you girl, will you please interview
Yeah.
the goons?
Because he can't pass the interview.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What is your name?
Anjo Santos.
Oh, kinabahan. Name pa lang.
How old are you?
24 years old.
What are your strengths and what are your weaknesses?
Ayan.
Yan.
My strengths are...
Teka.
Ayun po, doon na po ako nahihirapan.
Yun.
Ipipi mo muna, baka ano.
Okay, sabi mo, next question please.
Oo,
Next question, please.
Yan.
yan. Next question.
Lagi na may hirap.
Pag nahirapan ka, next question.
Or mas simple, pass.
Oh,
Pass.
pass. Okay, yan. Parang Pinoy henyo lang yan.
Pass. Ganun.
Okay, another question.
Purang contest
eh.
What is one contribution you can make to this company?
Next question, please.
Ayan.
Yan.
At least nakakasagot ka naman.
Alam mo, Brad, pag ganyan na nagtatanong, mauubos din ang tanong niya.
Oo. Tsaka kailangan confident kapag pag sinabi sinagot mo, next question please.
May yabang, ha?
Oo. Next question.
What is something you can offer to us that other candidates cannot?
Pass.
Ayan! Ganon! Fast learner!
Pare, lagyan mo ng konting attitude. Konting attitude. Okay, you ask me.
Tell me your goals in life.
That's your question.
Yes.
Pass.
Ayan! Ganon!
Huwag mo alisin yung tingin mo sa kanya.
Kailangan
Pass,
na
ay.
eye contact pa
Kunyari,
rin.
alam mo yun. Okay, pass.
Next question.
What do you want to be in 5 years?
Next question, please. May ganun ka pa ng
Natatawa pa kunyari.
Angas.
Angas!
Next question.
Pinaangas.
Okay, next question.
Describe yourself in one word.
One word only. Okay,
Okay.
pass.
Yun eh.
Two words yan, 2 words.
Yun.
Oh, you speak Tagalog pala. Why you speak English? You're the boss?
Oo, ako yung boss.
How many years you stay here?
Ngayon pa lang.
How many years you own this company?
Teka, bakit ikaw na nag-i-interview eh?
Ganun talaga, reverse psychology.
What about you?
Okay.
How about you?
How about you? Okay, you ask me a question. Hard question.
Yeah, the toughest
It's a
one.
difficult question. Come on.
Bring it on.
What is 1 plus 1?
You fool me, man. 1 plus 1 only? Come on, I know that. It's 11. Now, you're funny, Bugs Bunny.
You're funny, Buck Bunny.
Angas lang. O, sige, angas. Brad.
Daan
Sige,
mo sa
angas.
angas.
Okay, yabang.
Oh.
Okay, question. Naubusan na siya,
Naubusan
Brad.
na.
What's your name?
Okay, what is your name?
Huwag kang papas, pangalan niya, pare. Huwag muna pangalan,
Pas pa
man.
rin pangalan.
Hindi ka tatanggapin yan, pangalan pa lang eh.
Pangalan pala, pas ka na.
Pag hindi na familiar sa'yo yung tunog, doon ka pumas.
Doon ka pumas.
Okay, go.
I'm repeating the question. What is your name?
Anjo Santos.
How
Yan.
old are you? How old are you?
24 years old.
Yan.
And where are you from?
Kumpiyansa.
From Pandacan, Manila.
Yan.
Okay, so why are you here applying for this job?
Pass!
Para naman contest eh. Pare, sandali. Patapusin mo na muna yung tanong bago ka pumas.
Oo. Finish the question.
Di ba natatapos pas agad eh? Mahalatang bobo tayo niyan.
Dito pinihenyo, hoy!
Oh, again.
Question.
Why are you here applying for this job?
Next question.
Yan!
What is
May kumpiyansa.
Ayan, may natutunan ko.
Ganun talaga.
Okay, tell me why should I hire you?
Is that your question?
Ayan.
Yes.
Pass.
Yeah.
Very good. Alam mo,
Pwede na yan, pwede na yan.
pwede na ako. Pag alis mo dito, panigurado, makakakuha ka agad ng trabaho.
Tanong mo ngayon.
Am I hard?
Yan. Am I hard? Ganun. Am I hard?
Am I hard?
Yeah, ma'am.
Hard?
Ma'am Hart?
Hired.
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 You're fired.
Ay,
Thank you.
Fired agad.
hindi pa na, hindi mo pa kaya na. Ay, fire na agad. Hindi pa nag-umpisa.
Okay, may natutunan ka ba?
Wala po.
Akin na ito. Akin na ito. Layo mo sa akin yan. Layo mo sa akin yan.
Ipatay. Wala na mag-contest. Umot na lang.